Hello children, let's start the new chapter. Factorization. First exercise. First bit. Find the common factors of the given terms in each. First question 8x comma 24. So 8x equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into x. 24 equals to, let's do factorization for 24. 2 12s are 2 6 are 2 3s are. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So then the common factors of given two terms equals to, here 1 2 common, here one more 2 common, next again, so that's it, 3 2s are common. Next, coming to second question, 3a comma 21ab. So 3a equals to, write in the product form, 3 into a, 21ab. See here, 21 is, it is coming in 3 table, 3 sevens are 21. So 3 into 7 into a into b. So then the common factors are, here 1 3 common and 7 is not a common, a common. That's it, 3 and a both are common. Next, coming to third question, 7xy comma 35x square y cube. First do factorization, 7xy, 7 into x into y. Next to 35x square y cube equals to, 35 is coming in 5 table, 5 sevens are 35, so 5 into 7. Next, coming to variables, it's a product form x into x, y cube, y into y. So now the common factors of given two terms are, here 1 7 common, next to 1 x common and 1 y common. Next to fourth question, here he gave total 3 terms, 4m square, it's a product form 2 into 2 into m into m, 6m square, its product form 2 3s are 6, so m into m. Next 8m cube equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into m into m into m. So then the common factors are, so we need to take the common factors from 3 terms. So observe the 3 terms, 1 2 common. Next here one more 2 is common, but it is not available in the second term, so that is why 2 is not a common. Next 1 m common, next one more m common, so 2 m. Next fifth question, here also total 3 terms, so 15p. Do factorization means product of the prime numbers. So 15 factorization is 3 5s are 15 into p. Next to 20 qr, it is equals to, here 20, 2 table, 2 tens are 2 5s are. So 2 into 5 into q into r. Next to 25 rp, it is equals to 5 into 5 into r into p. So now the common factors are, here any 3 common? No. So only 1 5 is a common from the 3 terms together. So 1 5 common. Next here p is common only in the first and last, but it is not in the second one, so it is not a common. So only 1 5 is a common. So here only one common factor, so that is why here is. Next sixth problem, 4x square, it is equals to 2 into 2 into x into x. 6xy equals to 2 into 3 into x into y. 8y square x equals to 2 into 2 into 2 y into y into x. So the common factors are, from the 3 terms together, here 1 2 common, next 1 x common, Next, y is available in these two, but it is not in the first term, so only 2 and x. Seventh question, 12x square y. So 12, its a factorization is 2 6 2 3 So 2 into 2 into 3, x square, x into y. Next to 18x y square equals to, here 18 factorization 2 6 2 3 sorry, here 2 9 next to 3 3 now 2 into 3 into 3 into x into y. So the common factors are 1 2 common, here 1 3 common, next 1 x common and 1 y common. So 2 3 x and y. Second bit, factorize the following expressions. First question, 5x square minus 25xy. So 5x square minus 25xy equals to 5 into x minus 25, 5 into 5 into x into y. It is equals to, here 1 5 common, next to 1 x common, so 5 into, overall 5 into x common, into, now take the bracket, here the remaining terms from this x, remaining terms from this, here write minus symbol as it is, so minus remaining term is 5 into y. So 5 into x 5x, bracket of x minus 5 into y 5y. So now it is a product of other two terms which are 5x, another one x minus 5y. It is called a factorization. Next, second question, 9a square minus 6ax. 9a square equals to 3 into 3 into a minus 6ax, 2 into 3 into a into x. Now from these two terms, the common is 1 3 common, next 1 a common. Is there any other commons? No. So into, now take the bracket, remaining terms from this first term, what are they? 3 into a minus remaining terms from the second, what are they? 2 into x. So then it is equals to 3a, bracket of 3a minus 2x. Next to third question, 7p square plus 49pq. 7p square means 7 is already prime number, so 7 into p plus 49. 7 sevens are 49, p into q. So 1 7 common, next to 1 p common. So take the bracket, here the remaining term is p, write the symbol as it is. Here the remaining term is 7 into q. So then 7 into p, 7p, bracket of p plus 7 into q, 7q. Fourth question, 36a square b minus 60a square bc. It is equals to, here 36 factorization is 2 18s, next to 2 9s, next to 3 3s. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into a square b, a into b, minus 60 a square 60. 60 means 2 30s, 2 15s, 3 5s. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into a square bc, a into b into c. So it is equals to, here 1 2 common, next to one more 2 common, next to 1 3 common, next to 1 a common, one more a common, next to 1 b common, into, take the bracket. So here the remaining term is what? Only 1 3 minus, here remaining terms 5, next to, here c. So 5 into c. Then it is equals to, here 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 12 into a square, a into a square, b bracket of 3 minus 5 into c. So 12 a square b bracket of 3 minus 5c. Next to fifth question, 3a square bc, 3 into a into b into c, plus 6, 2 into 3 into a into b into b into c, 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 into a into b into c into c. So now observe the three terms together. So 1 3 common, okay. Next to 1a common, next to 1b common, next to 1c common. So no other commons, so take the bracket. Remaining term is what? A, plus here remaining terms 2 and b. So 2 into b, here remaining term 3 and c. So 3 into c, it is equals to 3 into a into b to c, means 3a bc bracket of a plus 2b plus 3c. Next sixth problem, 4p square, 2 into p into p plus 5pq, 5 into p into q minus 6pq square, 2 into 3 into p into q. It is equals to, here 2 is a common from the first and last, but 2 is not available in the middle. Next to p, yeah, 1p common. Next to q is a common. Q is common only in the last two, but not in the first. So overall only one term is a common, that is p. Now bracket. So 2 into p are remaining. Here 5 into q remaining. Okay, here q is not a common. Minus 2 into 3 into q. So p bracket of 2 2s are 4p plus 5q minus 2 3s are 6q into q square. Seventh problem, ut plus at square. It is equals to u into t plus a into t. Only one t is a common, bracket of u plus a into t. So it is equals to t bracket of u plus a t. Third bit, factorize the following. First question, 3ax minus 6xy plus 8by minus 4ab. So here given total 4 terms. First 3ax, 3 into a into x minus 6xy, 2 into 3 into x into y plus 8by, 2 into 2 into 2 into b into y minus 4ab. So 2 into 2 into a into b. It is equals to, see here from these two terms, whether any possibility to take the common from the 4 terms. Observe it carefully. First observe the numbers. Okay, here 3 but not available. Next to variables, x, here x but here not there. Next to a, here a, here a but not in others. Next to b, so there is a no common term from all terms together, but from the first two we can take the common. 1 3 common, next to 1 x common. So take the bracket. Here the remaining term is a minus here remaining terms 2 and y, so 2 into y plus from these two common terms are 1 2 common, one more 2 common, next to 1b common. So take the bracket. Remaining terms 2 and y, okay, minus here remaining term is a. So then it is equals to 3 into x 3x, a minus 2y plus 2 2s are 4 b into 2y minus a. So here we need a same type of terms, but here a minus 2y, here 2y minus a. So just we need to take, minus common here. So take the minus common. What will happen? 2y will become minus 2y, minus y, a will become plus a. Okay. So 3x bracket of a minus 2y, next to plus a minus 1. What will happen? Minus 4b bracket of, and here first I am writing the positive value. What is that? Plus a, next to negative value. Now observe carefully, a minus 2y, a minus 2y. So then we can take the a minus 2y common. So now take the new bracket. Here the remaining term is what? 3x. Here the remaining term is minus 4b. So now it is called a factorization. Second problem, x cube plus 2x square plus 5x plus 10. So x cube means x into x plus 2x square, 2 into x plus 5x, 5 into x plus 10, 2 into 5. From the first two terms, take the one x common, one more x, total 2x commons. Bracket of remaining term is x, here remaining term is 2, and here 1 5 common. So take the bracket, here remaining term is x, here remaining term is 2. See here symbols are writing as it is, my dear. Okay. So now x into x is x square bracket of x plus 2 plus 5 into bracket of x plus 2. Now what happened here? X plus 2 is a common. So x plus 2. After taking the common, we need to take the new bracket. Here the remaining term is x square. Here the remaining term is 5. So x plus 2 into x square plus 5 is the answer. Third question, m square minus mn plus 4m minus 4n. So m square means m into m minus m into n plus 4m, 2 into m minus 4n, 2 into n. So is there any common from all four terms? No. So take the common from the first two terms. So one m common, bracket m minus n. Next one 2 common and one more 2 common. So into bracket of m minus n. So m into m minus n plus 2 2s are 4 into m minus n. Now m minus n is a common. So take the new bracket m plus 4. So m minus n into m plus 4 is the answer. Fourth problem, a cube minus a square b square minus ab plus b cube. So a cube equals to a into a square b square means a into b minus a into b plus b cube, b into b. So is there any common from all four terms together? No. So then here a common, one more a common, so a into a. So now check the bracket, here remaining term is a and here remaining term is b into b. Next from these two, let's take the b common, but along with the b take minus symbol also common. So minus b into, so here the remaining term is a, and here when you taking the minus common, the symbol will be changed here, plus will become minus, and here the remaining terms are b into b. So a into a square into a minus b square minus b into a minus b square. Now here a minus b square. So a minus b square common. So bracket of here a square and here minus b. So a minus b square into a square minus b. Next fifth problem, p square q. P into q minus p r square, p into r minus p into q plus r into r. So from these two, one p common, so then p into q minus r into r. Same here also take the minus common, and see there is a no common term from these two. So then take the 1. So 1 into bracket of here p into q will come as it is, and the plus symbol will be changed because we are taking the minus common, and here r into r will come as it is. So now p into pq minus r square minus 1 into pq minus r square. Now pq minus r square is a common into p minus 1. So pq minus r square into p minus 1 is the answer.